Let's see how this works in a real-world example. Take our customer Wortmann Group with its attached brands. Let's say I'm a B2B shoe customer and I want to learn about the next year's shoe collection. So usually I would give my sales rep a call, he would call me back and we would make an appointment, and then perhaps the guy would pack the car with shoes and then visit me 2 weeks later. But how could a solution in 2021 look like? So let's say I'm just texting him, and then it's Matthias again, so he's a kind guy and writes me back, and he will just provide me with a link I can click. Let's see what happens when I click this link. Hi, Matthias.
Hi, Daniel. You wanted to know something more about our products, is that right?
Sure. Can you show us around? I will mute him for now. So Matthias prepared an interactive presentation in Shopware that is now presented me in PWA. He can scroll around, he can show me around, and he can show me the next year's shoe collection. We can see each other, we can talk to each other, and we can discuss, for example, the features of the products. We can also fill my cart together, so that if I'm interested in certain colors, for example, we can fill the cart for my next order. And we really can go into deep here. So I can scroll around, he can scroll around, he can also put a highlight somewhere and like get my attention to that point, but we both explore the catalog. And also, of course, he can present items into detail for me. So if I want to learn about a shoe, he can open it up big, and we can, for example, have a 360 view of that very product. We call this functionality guided shopping. And again, I think it's just an idea what you can do with it. It's reality, but again, think about the possibilities, what you can do in your business if you really get in touch with your customers, if you see their feedback, if you learn if they are excited about something you say, or if they are skeptical. So you can really interact with your customers, and just imagine what this can do for your business. 5 years ago, we started with Shopware 5, and it was emotional shopping on any device. It was a big slogan. And for me, PWA and guided shopping are moving this boundary again, because it's not like shopping on any device. It's shopping in your customer's living room, being there where your customer is, and having solutions that fits your customer needs perfectly. Again, Matthias will show us how this works in detail.
Well, yes, actually, as Danny mentioned, guided shopping is a powerful example of how you can create outstanding shopping experiences by combining Shopware PWA with headless and modular technologies. Guided shopping enables you to create a unique shopping and consulting experience for you and your customers by seamlessly connecting video communication with Shopware's shopping experiences. It basically allows you to create interactive presentations and video conferences inside of Shopware. And with this combination, you are able to get directly in touch with your customers and interact with them on a new level, all by using the same tools as you would do in your everyday business. The process to set up a guided shopping session like this is quite straightforward. Once a plugin is set up and the system is running, all you have to do in your everyday business is covered in 3 steps. At first, you need to create your content. This works just as it would do with the shop itself. This can basically be everything Shopware offers you. Simple pages, emotional storytelling content, product listing pages based on dynamic product groups, or product detail pages. You can edit the content, add images, text, everything Shopware offers you, basically. You then combine your layouts to a presentation. Think of your layouts here as single slides of this presentation. But actually, the word presentation is a bit misleading, and on the first glimpse underestimates the capability which guided shopping can offer you in the long run. Presentation sounds quite linear. A guide is presenting something to a passive listening customer, just like an ordinary sales presentation. It's not that simple, of course. A presentation in guided shopping can basically whatever Shopware offers you, and you and the customer can interact with the presentation together in the same session, but also the customer can explore the content on his own. He can pop up more information about a product, add it to a wish list, or put it directly into his cart. Once you have created your presentation then, you can create multiple appointments where you define when and to whom you're going to talk to. And then finally, all you have to do is send a link for the appointment to the customers. And that's it. You are ready to go. Of course, in our first version, the setup of guided shopping will require itself a little bit of work in terms of customization and installation. But in your everyday business, that's all you have to do to interact with your customers directly. Answer their questions, highlight your product's features and benefits, and, well, that helps you to better understand your customers' value, their needs and wants, and it helps them to make the right decision. And just one reminder, I suggest that you combine guided shopping with our flow builder and see what this can do to you.